What's up guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you a scalping strategy that blows my mind already away. I know in the last video we have already seen such a very lucrative strategy, but this strategy I will show you today is like a very big explosion. So in the backtest I have generated more than 9,000% in profit in just 4 days, which is like unbelievable. So if you want to know how you can generate these results, keep watching the video and I will show you every single step. And I will say we will start right away with the setup. So for the setup, we only need two different indicators. Let's start with the first one. The first indicator we need is the linear regression candles. Important, the candles, not the channel. So like this one is what we need. And we are going to make some changes to it. So in the settings, the input, we will put the signal smoothing from 11 to 7. And then in the style, we will make the line of the plot a little bit thicker so we can see it better. Click on OK. And that's it for that one. As you can see now, we have like two candles. They are over each other. So what we want to do now is to hide the normal bar or the normal chart, and that we have only visible the linear regression candles. The second indicator we want to add is the UT bot alerts. That one from Quant Nomad. So we are going to add that one. Make also some changes here. We go on inputs and we put the key value to 2 and the ATR period to 11. Click on OK, and that is already the setup. So this is the chart how it will look in the end. So let's take now a closer look to the rules of the trading setup or this strategy. So for a long chart or for a long trade, we want to get a buy signal, obviously. So for a long trade, the first thing that we need is a buy signal. The second thing that we want is that the candle or that a green candle is closing above this line. So second, green candle, not above, we want above the line. So these are the two conditions that we have to get. So as you can see here, we get a buy signal. The chart is turning around. We get the first green candle, but this isn't closing above the EMA, or maybe very, very close above the line. But we take the second one, as this one is closing definitely above. So here we are going to enter our trade. The stop loss will be at the line, and we don't have a fixed take profit, but we will leave the trade when we get the first red candle. So you can see here all candles are closing green, 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 and here we have the first candle that is closing red. So here we will leave our trade, and as you can see we get a risk reward ratio of 4.69. And yeah, this is our long trade. And for a short trade, the signals are pretty much the same, but in the opposite direction. So for a short trade, first we want to have a sell signal, and second we want a red candle closing below the white line. And here we have also a good example. I know you can't, or it's very hard to see sometimes, but the sell signal is hiding just behind the candle. So this is where you have sometimes to be a little bit careful that you don't oversee a signal. And we get the same. So we get a sell signal. The first, or the sell signal candle is already closing below the line. So this is where we enter. And as we are very short, or as we are very close now here to the line, we will put our stop loss above the recent swing high. So right above over here. And then the same rules apply like in the long trade. So we will leave the short trade when we get the first green candle. So that will be over here. Yeah. So, and as you guys can see, here we also have a risk reward ratio of 4.5. So this strategy is very, very powerful, especially when you have long trends in the long or in the short direction without any interruption. So okay, sometimes it is a little bit disappointing when you get the trend, then maybe you get already here maybe the green candle, and then it will continue and continue even more. So like it happens here, you could easily make a lot of money. So, but we don't get any more sell signal. So this is obviously the most disappointing part, that you could easily get a risk reward ratio of 23 at the moment. But this is what it takes, and we get away here with a risk reward ratio of 4.5. So I think we will jump now right away in the back test. I will do the back test with a risk of 2%. So like this example here, I would risk 2% with a risk reward ratio of 4 to 4.5, I guess we had. So with this specific trade, we would have made 9% of a profit. So I would say we jump now straight into the back test and let's go. So this is now our result of the backtest. As you can see, we have managed to generate 9,136% of a win from our 100 trades. From the 100 trades, we had 84 wins and 8 losses and 8 break-even trades. And I think that this result is just the best result we have managed so far, and the best result that you can find on any strategy onto YouTube. I mean, imagine within 4 days you will start with $100, and in 4 days you will have $9,000 into your trading account. I think that this strategy is just overwhelming, and I think that this is the same that we can see on the numbers, because the biggest advantage here is that we can keep our wins running, because the highest profit in one trade were 28%. I think the 28% were somewhere over here, I guess. And yeah, it is just brilliant, to be honest. I mean, yeah, 18 consecutive wins against one consecutive loss is just overwhelming. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please give the video a like and write down in the description if you will start now to test this strategy on your own, maybe on your paper trading account, on your real account, whatever you like. And I hope you have enjoyed the video, and we will see you soon in the next video. So see you soon.